This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about whisks, specifically these Metlux stainless steel French whisks. They come in two sizes, the 12-inch and the 16, and they're both great options if you're looking for something. They have a nice weight to them, and as you can see, the tines on those whisks are really nice, heavy duty and thick, making it a nice, durable, long-lasting tool for your kitchen. And you can see down here on the end, right, that one in the middle is squeezed together, and that's gonna hold everybody in place while you're whisking. And it's gonna make this an amazing tool for beating things that are light and airy, like a whipped cream, but also for beating things that are thick and heavy, like heavier batters. So you can use this to do everything from sauces to mixing really thick cake and brownie batters. And so it's gonna make a nice versatile tool, whether you're working with things that are savory or sweet, right? And it's got a great handle on it as well. It has a nice width to it, so it's got a great, easy ergonomic grip. It's going to be easy to hold on to, and it has a nice weight to it as well. So whisks in general, but these in particular, are a great must-have tool, whether you're an aspiring home cook or a seasoned pro that's looking for a new one to add to your collection.